welcome back to the channel. I have 3 hours till my day job shift, and I finally got the front bumper bar support, and I want to change it. And also I have received a front bumper bar. I want to install this today also, and we'll have a look, and want to have a look what's wrong here. Also, I have a fuse box. I have a fuse box cover and lower cover as well. I think is bent slightly, and okay. Okay, I will remove the OM one, and then I will look what's happening here. Originally I was thinking that I just need to remove it and swap it with a good one, but now I can see that it might be that the front elements, those two, probably are a little bit of the car, and those needs to be aligned, and that's not good news for me, because I wasn't expecting geometry needs to be aligned. I'm trying to place all the bolts back to its places, so everything goes into the exact spots. To free up this wire, I need to bend back a little bit that frame. Oh, I have freed up the left side, now the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts, 6 bolts to unscrew. The bolts for the frame is bent, so it does mean something for another bolt is down there. I have noticed this one. What do we see here? Okay, the horn, it's damaged. Okay, that support is finished. This is broken. Maybe I can change that piece. Now this is bent, and that's alright, okay, because the support frame is a wreck. I need to move everything from this support to the new one. I have a new part here. Let's see if it fits. Fits perfectly. That part is broken from that box, so I want to remove it. Top cover. And I forgot that piece. I will order it later. Let's face the truth. I will place that support, and I will see how much the front is off from its original geometry. And it's a lot. Oh. So you can see how much it's off from that. Now this side is also obviously off, and this is far. It's like 2 centimeters at least, maybe 3, off to the right side. So the front needs alignment, body needs alignment, is slightly off. So the front itself is off to the right side. Not very good for me. as I was expecting it just to replace the parts, and that's an extra. Oh well, not afraid of that. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.